Hi, I'm Dr. Zach Johnson. I'm a family practice physician here with Community Physician Network, and I've been here since 2025. Never thought I would be a physician. And then in high school, my grandma got sick, and I stayed at home, helped take care of her, and that actually put me down this pathway to becoming a physician. Now, wouldn't look back and love what I do. With primary care, really our focus is going to be preventative services. But if you come in with a new problem and you're like, hey, doc, what's going on here? Then my job is to kind of start that workup, get you diagnosed. But at the end of the day, regardless of if it's high blood pressure, diabetes, whatever it is, I want them to leave and know that we have a plan. It's going to work out. What we came together to decide that plan to be is what we're going to do. I think the most important thing with having a visit with me is that we're going to be serious about your health, and we're going to follow all the guidelines and all the recs. But at the same time, I like to have fun. I like to get to know you as a person, what matters to your healthcare, and I want you to feel comfortable in a visit with me and get to know me as well as I get to know you. And I could have picked any career, but I don't think I would have been able to connect with people the way I do here. And then, the medicine, is so important too, because we get to prevent disease. We get to treat people. And I just couldn't imagine doing anything else at this point. When I'm not at work, my life, it's kind of funny. I went into family medicine because, I get to do a little bit of everything, and my life at home is about the same. Hobby-wise, there's not quite a hobby I don't do at this point, I think. Like recently, I just built an electric guitar from scratch. I've remodeled my whole first floor of my house. I have a coin collection, and there's not many hobbies I don't do. I'm Dr. Zach Johnson. I'm a family practice physician here with Community Physician Network, and I've been here since 2025.